Welcome back to our channel. Please subscribe so that you will not miss our future videos. Also see the links in the description box below if you also want to download free Forex robots, indicators, courses, and books. The second largest canine crypto in terms of market capitalization, Shiba Inu, has demonstrated an impressive rise over the past week as its price jumped by nearly 20%. Since the middle of last week, Shiba Inu has been growing by leaps and bounds. On Tuesday, the price soared by 10%, and from Wednesday to now, it has spiked by over 12%, hitting the $0.980 price mark. In early November, when the crypto market was hit by the insolvency of the FTX giant and its founder, former crypto billionaire Sam Bankman-Fried, Bitcoin and altcoins plunged. Shiba added the fifth zero to its price, and now it seems it is preparing to eliminate it once again. Another factor that has likely contributed to the coin's growth is the rise of the Bitcoin price. Over the past few days, BTC suddenly regained the $18,200 level, and on January 12, it touched $19,000 before rolling slightly backward. Shiba Inu and other altcoins surged on the back of the flagship cryptocurrency. Besides, Twitter has recently added a hashtag for Shiba Inu, as it did for Dogecoin, AJ, and other cryptos as January began. Little things like this generally contribute to an overall background upon which a token's price can go up. Aside from that, Shiba Inu Metaverse Hub, the WAGNI Temple, is going to be previewed by the attendees of SXSW 2023 in Austin, Texas. Leave your thoughts and comments in the comments section below.